And anyway, me not getting mayor going at things. You feel me in a joke?
So, mama, you know, no man.
Me have a little boyfriend, yes, but can't do because one and two things, you know. I'm not too pressure him, I think. You know what I'm saying? Go start, you know.
Look left, look right.
Alright, yeah man, you can get the boomer with the music with them man, but about the next half hour, you know, because they are car wash, you understand?
Let me.
You really just do that, baby?
But you're too late. Come up with the money.
2 days, sir?
You look like say I sex you want him, want me sex want him, you know. Me no want no girl.
No man, me not mix that. And you take up yourself, boy, you want that the man there now, see there, swell on you.